Are you tired of dealing with the headache of storing your materials above ground? Are you looking for a solution that will provide safety, security, and peace of mind for storage needs? Look no further than our revolutionary underground storage tank. With our underground storage tank, you can say goodbye to the risks and potential hazards of above-ground storage. No longer will you have to worry about leaks, spills, or environmental contamination. Our solution provides a secure and reliable way to store your materials underground, keeping them safe from external elements and minimizing the impact on the environment. Our underground storage tank is designed to meet the highest safety standards and regulations made from durable materials. It is built to last and withstand even the harshest conditions. With its advanced technology and innovative features, you can have full confidence in the security and protection of your stored materials. Whether you are in the industrial, commercial, or residential sector, our underground storage tank is the perfect solution for your storage needs. Its versatile design allows for easy installation and customization to meet your specific requirements. With its efficient use of space, you can maximize your storage capacity without taking up valuable surface area. Say goodbye to the limitations of above-ground storage and embrace the benefits of our underground storage tank. Experience peace of mind knowing that your materials are safely and securely stored, protected from potential risks and hazards. Upgrade to our underground storage tank today and experience the difference for yourself. To know more, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.